All of us are familiar with HTML, CSS, HTML5 and different programming languages which help you in creating the web page or website. Due to digitalization, there are n number of tools which help you in creating the website. One among them is Wordpress. 60 million websites are created using Wordpress. Why do you think people are using Wordpress? One of the important features is that you do not need to have the knowledge of different programming languages for coding the web page. Wordpress enables you to create the web page easily with the help of different templates and designs which are provided by the Wordpress. So, I'd like you to explain how you can create a website in Wordpress. The very first step that you need to do is to type www.wordpress.com in your browser. As soon as you enter this URL, you will be redirected on this page. Now, in this page, you can see different options. You have to go on the Get Started link which is given on the right hand side top. The moment you click on the Get Started button, you will be redirected to this kind of a page where you will have the option of either you can start with a blog or you can start with option of creating a website. You can create a portfolio or you can create an online store. So, I would be choosing the option of creating a website. So, I'll be moving towards start with a website. As soon as you click on that option, you can see different plans. The options are free, personal, premium and business. So, for the newcomers or for the students or for the first time who is learning to create a website, you can go with a free plan. As soon as you choose the free plan, they will be asking you to choose a domain. Now, you can enter anything that you want. For example, you can choose your domain of interest or you can write down your name. As soon as you write down anything, they will be suggesting you which of the following addresses you can give to your website. For example, here I have given cloud computing. So, they give you an option of cloud computing 6032.wordpress.com, which will be an address freely available for the website that you will create. Once you choose the option of your website, you will be redirected to the home page or the dashboard of the Wordpress. After that, you have the option of different themes. Rather than starting from a scratch, you can choose any of these default themes and start developing your website. This is the example of the website that I have created. As you can see, this is a template having 4 options, that is home, about me, contact and the research. The image that you can see on the top is of the keen learner. You can edit that text with the help of edit option which is there. The title which I have given is my first blog and the text given there is highlighted in a blue color and underlined. There you can see an option of edit. With the help of edit, you can change whatever you want. For example, this is the visual thing of my home page. On the right hand side, you can see my site is having a heading of Keen Learner, which is there on the top as a text. Now, as I told you that you can choose your site's IP address. So my site's IP address is where? This one. https neha1990 site.wordpress.com, and on the 4 options I am on the about page. The about page is telling about myself, about my achievements, about my designation, my teaching experience, the subjects that I have taught. Now you can see that you can make the changes over here. If you want, you can add the image or the video links over here, and different options are available for the editing. Now, when you make the changes, you can see there is an option of update. You can update those changes and finally publish your website. So this is how it is easy to create a website using WordPress. So let me summarize in short what are the steps that you need to remind to create the website. The very first step which we had seen is we need to type www.wordpress.com in the URL. Then you have to click on Get Started button. After you select the Get Started button, you can choose any option, whether you want to create a blog, whether you want to create a website, whether you want to create a portfolio, or you want to create a store. Next, when you choose, for example, the option of website, you are going to select the website option and then select the free plan. Then you are going to choose the domain for the website. In this, the domain for my website was neha1990 site.wordpress.com. After you choose the domain, you can choose the theme or the template and directly start editing the content over there. So this is how, after finalizing the design, the theme, the contents, you can finally publish your website. I guess this was all about how you can create a website using WordPress. Thank you.